So then, I'm going to show you the Little Wonder, which is the tool I brought from Richard over in Bath in the Gardenalia shop. Found it online. I've been looking for months to get hold of this thing. Nowhere sells it. It's obviously an antique. It's really hard to find. The ones that I did find maybe were in like America. And there's no way I'm going to buy something from America and get it shipped over here. I just don't have a clue what the cost would be. Anyway, so after searching, I found it. And here it is. Here's the coffin like box. Here she is. Look at that blade. It's a really long blade. So I've brought a belt because I'm going to try and attach a strap to it, because you can use it as a one-man tool, but it's also, when I researched it, says it can also be a two-man or a one-man tool, but you do need a strap. This didn't have a strap, so Richard gave me this long belt, which I'm hopefully going to try and attach to it, like I've seen in some pictures. But here we go. I can't actually pick this up with one hand, but I'm going to quickly show you briefly. These are the cogs. There you go. And on here you can see, there you go, all British, Little Wonder, Hedge clipper it says. John Hanson, Astor House, Aldwych, London. So it's British made, but I think an American company took it over. And this cog turns here. So the handle, one of the handles, this is one of the handles. They're a little bit rusted, so I'm going to have to soak these in some oil. And this, as you can see, is supposed to attach here. And then you wind this round, and then that drives these two sets of blades to then do the cutting motion. And then you also, the other handles are attached here and here. But they also, this one's not too bad actually. It's probably one of the betters of the three. I think there's a handle missing. I think there should be 4 handles. Would someone hold this while I show the motion? Down here, I want to show. So I have to lean it like that.
Do you want me to hold it the other end?
Could you go that end, and obviously you're not really dressed, Marion. Yeah, you don't want to be in your dressing
Where's
gown.
David?
It's fine. Amy can hold that end. Amy, you
Shall I
need to
video it then?
Amy, you need to hold it by the, not by the blade, darling, because that will cut your finger off, darling.
I'm not. I'm holding it underneath.
No, I want you to hold it there. Hold that. Hold the bracket. Otherwise you lose a finger. So if you can point here, I want to see this turning, and then as I'm turning it, try and hold it straight so you can see the blades. You can probably go back and forth when you're cutting, or all the way around. It's quite hard. I think I'm going to need a bit more grease on this, and obviously a handle. Attach the handle to it, but you can see that it works. Just about. All the pieces are working. Father-in-law shouting at me.
Hey,
But there you go. Pop that down. Yes, David.
should we go and do that now?
Yeah, give me a second. Put this away. Needs a clean up. So I'm going to fix on these handles on all the places. As many as we got, only 3. And then we'll see if you see on my next video. I'm going to be showing you cutting a hedge I'm going to probably do a light hedge, maybe like a privet hedge or something, just so I don't damage it on anything thick branches. There we go. So if you want to see the next video, subscribe to the channel, press the notifications, and I'll see you next one.